Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in a different spot in my room, and today we are actually going to be doing my favorites for January. Yes, you guys, January is officially over. I just can't believe that this whole month has already come by. Like, it's crazy how the months just fly by like that. Please disregard my background. I'm just in my room. I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that I've been loving for the month. I am not going to share with my skincare yet, just because my skincare is going to be later. Because I'm going to do a video specifically for skincare, so yes. If you guys are excited for this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the post notification bell just to get a notification whenever I upload. And yeah, if you guys are wondering what this look is, it's a little bit crazy, but this is a milk inspired makeup look. So there you go. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the non-makeup items first, which is just perfume. And the first perfume that I've been obsessed with is the Ariana Grande Sweet Like Candy. It has a beautiful little ball, and I just love this perfume. It's super sweet. It has like, turns like a super sweet perfume to like a really nice, I don't know, I'm a really big fan of it. It's citrusy, it's very girly, I really like it. You can wear it every day. Next perfume that I have been obsessed with, and I know you guys have seen this perfume before, but I just love it. This is the Mon Paris by YSL. This perfume is seriously my favorite perfume. Like, rich, luxe, like expensive, and I just love this perfume. I love this perfume that I got two of them. Like two of the exact same perfume. I just love this perfume so much. And I know it's a little bit expensive, but you can definitely buy the smaller bottle. But a similar scent that I did find a dupe for is from Bath & Body Works actually, and it's called the Rosé Fragrance Mist. It says it's alluring and feminine, which I agree. It's like a similar smell to it. It's like really close, and I really like this one if I'm like trying to go out the door, if I'm trying to go do something else. I like to wear this one if I don't want to wear the perfume. We have a whole bunch of nice makeup that I have been buying. You guys know I just buy makeup all the time. So yes. So the first favorite that I am gonna let you guys know that these are one of my favorites. The Jasmine Brown and Allure London Curly Queen eyelashes. They're very similar to my 915s from Salon Perfect, or like some Ardell ones. They're very similar, but these, I don't know about these lashes. These are a little bit more different than the Vegas Snay ones that they came out with. These are just so pretty. They're so fluttery. You can wear them with any look, and I am obsessed with this one. So I definitely need to go buy some more of these because these are amazing. I highly recommend them. They're actually really inexpensive, like $7. So I just want to go ahead and give a quick reference to the Flower Beauty sponge. It looks like this. It's like a purple sponge. It has like a little bit of an indent right there. But this sponge, you guys, it gets so big and it gets super nice and soft, and it's probably one of my favorite like cheaper beauty blenders. I like this way more than the Real Techniques one. This one is just softer. It blends everything nice. It does soak up a little bit of product, but it does leave you that flawless look. I really like this one. Actually, might like it a little bit more than my beauty blender, but we're not gonna tell her that right now because I've been in a long-term relationship with her. So next, I have primers that I have been wearing for the entire month, and I've been actually really loving. So the first one is obviously the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. So this is the matte primer. I don't think this is matte actually. I think it's actually really hydrating, and it sinks into the skin and makes it like a really beautiful soft base for the entire skin. So I really do like this one. I think it looks really nice, and I like the way that it gives you that nice feel on the skin. It's not really tacky, it's not really like sticky feeling either. It just leaves a nice film over the skin so you can go ahead and apply the makeup and it'll look flawless. The next one that I have been actually going back to, and this is a super old primer that you guys know. If you guys are really old subscribers, you guys will remember this one, but this one is the L'Oreal Miracle Blur, and I forgot about this and I just let it go for like 2 years, and now I'm back, and it's insane. It's so crazy, but this primer is amazing. So this is a very different type of primer. It's like super duper thick. Like you will literally look thick. Like it's a thick primer, but it literally covers up your pores, your lines. Like it's meant to look super super smooth on the face, and it's supposed to give you like a nice, they actually had this two different versions. They had this one and an oil-free one. I used to use the oil-free one, but I couldn't find that one, so I just have the original one. But it's so nice, you guys. It looks so good on the skin. My skin is flawless, and I highly recommend that if you want a cheaper primer, and I got it on sale for $10. Alrighty, so I just recently bought some high-end foundations, but I have not had enough time with those yet. But I did buy some discounted drugstore foundations as well. So I have two of them. The first one is the Sonia Kashuk Soft Satin Matte Foundation. It looks like this really beautiful bottle. It's really, really nice. It has a pump to the foundation, which I'm really a fan of. I'm really, really happy with this foundation. It's really, really nice. It's not a really high, medium, full coverage foundation. This is more of a light to medium foundation. Like I've tried it with the beauty blender, I've tried it with the brush. It's really like a light foundation coverage, unless you built it, of course. But I do like the way that this looks. It really is a great foundation for one of those everyday or natural makeup looks that you want to do and you don't want to go all full coverage. This is a really nice foundation to give you that look. Something a little bit more full coverage. This one is the Maybelline Better Skin Foundation, and I really like this foundation, you guys. This is actually, I was trying to get the correct shade, and I literally bought 3 different foundation shades for this one, but I could not get the correct shade until now. I have 30 Warm Nude. For this one, I really, really like this foundation. It's a nice medium to full coverage foundation. It looks really, really nice on the skin. It doesn't look cakey whatsoever, but it does give you a nice fuller coverage, medium to full coverage. It does have some SPF in this foundation, not too much that you get a flashback with it. And it is oil free, so it's really good for the oily girls and boys out there that, you know, we have to touch up more than the regular one. Another product that I have been obsessed with is this actually duo from Alexis Ren and ColourPop. This is actually a duo bronzer and highlighter. It's the highlighter is right here, and then the bronzer is right over here. It's a nice warm bronzer, but it's not super full coverage to the point where you're gonna look orange. I actually really love this bronzer. It has a nice sheer and it's buildable coverage for the bronzer, so I really do like this bronzer a lot. I love it. It's nothing like the Sunny bronzer or any of those really warm orange bronzers from the drugstore, and this is actually really inexpensive, so I really recommend this one. And the highlight is actually really, really pretty too. It's just a little bit darker, so for me it's gonna be like a body highlighter or something like a glowy over the bronziness cheeky blush to give like a warm blush. Next ColourPop item that I have literally been wearing all month long is the Aquarius lip collection from Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. So it comes with 3 actual different lip formulas, but it's all the same color. So it comes with a matte lipstick, a satin lipstick, and a ultra glossy lipstick. So I really, really like these. I think one of them is called Aquarius 2. Yeah. So the matte liquid lipstick is Aquarius 2 because I think Aquarius 1 is a lippy stick. But I have been wearing all of the different shades so much. As you can see, this is the ultra matte lipstick, Aquarius 2. The ultra satin lip. I love the ultra satin lips because they're not really drying and they give a nice color to your lips, and I am a fan. I just don't think they work really well when you're eating or drinking. And finally, this is the ultra glossy lip, and I love the glosses because this is a nice colorful gloss that you don't really need a lip liner or anything else on top of. So I like to wear these on my own. And yeah, I'm a big fan of the whole collection. I have a whole bunch of ColourPop stuff now. The highlighter that I've been loving, seriously, like, I'm not wearing it today, but seriously, these highlighters are so good, and these are the Ofra highlighters. This one in particularly is Everglow with the Naked Tutorials. This one has 3 different shades of highlight, so it has a really light color, a more champagne color, and then a deeper color for, you know, your chocolate girls and boys. I think she altered the darker color for the single pans, but I am a fan of this highlighter. It looks so beautiful, skin-like, and super reflective. It's like one of the best highlighter formulas I can ever relate to. It's so good. I really recommend it because it looks like a disco ball on your cheek. The highlighter that I'm wearing today is, this one is the Pure Bronze and Brighten little set that I got in BoxyCharm, and I'm wearing the middle one right now, but I mixed it in with Anastasia highlight and a Jeffree Star highlight, so it's really a mixture. But this little palette is really good because it has a beautiful blush and a beautiful highlighter, but this one I really don't use that much, that's why it's not my ultimate favorite. Alrighty, so the next product is the Big Tarte Blush Book, and I know Tarte has seen a lot of backlash right now, but you really can't deny the products, and I am such a big fan of their blushes. That's probably one of my favorite products from the entire cosmetic line, and these are the newest blushes that they have come out with the Tarte Book. They've had 3 so far, and these are all of the shades. So the middle one is a highlighter, but all the rest are blushes, and they have different tones, so you can definitely use each and every one of them. Some of them have a little bit of a sheen, but they're all pretty much a buttery, really soft blush. Today I'm wearing the shade Heated on my cheeks, and I love this blush, and they last all day. I have 2 last products that I have been obsessed with, and these are both by one brand, and these are the Anastasia palettes that have come out last year that I've just now barely gotten into. I'm so sorry. The Subculture palette is probably one of my favorites. One of my favorite palettes because the color tones are really nice. I really like them. Yes, they are very pigmented, and yes, you get some fallout, but I really didn't get a look at what wasn't blending. I really didn't get that look at all. I really love the entire palette. It just looks so good. I am a fan. This palette has some of my favorite shades. It just looks so beautiful. Like, just take a look at this color palette. Like, oh, yes. Next, and the last one is the Prism palette, and this one's probably one of my favorites too, just because it's so good. The thing with these palettes, they have that like really soft velvety kind of thing over it, so I don't know if I like that really, but whatever. And this one has one of my favorite color stories too. As you can see, I just love this shade, that shade, this shade, that shade, that shade, that shade, that shade, that shade. It's just all so pretty. This one doesn't have as much fallout as the other palette, but I really like this palette. It blends and it looks so good on the eyes. I'm just shooketh because these palettes have gotten a lot of like slack, and I'm just kind of upset that people don't really, like, I feel like now people just do reviews just to get the clickbait and do a negative review on a really good product. I do think that some of these people did get like a palette that wasn't correct, because I got an amazing palette, and my palette is amazing and it blends great. Okay. Oh, by the way, I got one more thing, and this is my Lumi case, and this one goes on my phone, and I love it because you just light it up, and I just love having it on my phone for pictures. You can get the like look. Yes, love it. It's probably one of the best investments I've ever made, and I got this at Target. That is my entire favorites, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my January favorites. Please stay tuned for a skincare routine because I have that coming, and please stay tuned for some fun videos, especially some Valentine's tutorials, because you know she's coming for the gods. And yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you have liked it, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video.